Hi guys, hope you all are safe and doing well. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to talk about the products I have used in the last month and also the entire month of May. Now, I have recently incorporated a lot of new products in my routine, so these are the products that were my last month favorite, and also I've used them till 15th to 20th of this month. So yeah, these are my absolutely favorite and these are totally worth your money, and this video is not sponsored by the way. Now first I will start off with my skincare and body care favorites, and then I will move on to my makeup favorites. I'm not including any hair care products today because I want to make a separate video on my recent favorite hair care products. Also, I'm trying out a lot of new products that I want to include in my video, so I thought of doing a separate hair care video. So today I am going to talk about my specially skincare favorites and my makeup favorites. Okay, now without trembling much, let's get started. But before that, you know the drill. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit on that notification bell so that every single time I upload a video you will get notified and you don't miss out on any video that I upload. Whew, and now let's go. Talking about face washes, these are the two products I've used a lot. There is another face wash that I'm going to talk about in my next video, but for now let's talk about these two products. The first one is the Janhvi Watermelon SuperGlow Gel Face Wash, and then I have the Aqualogica Detan Plus Smoothie Face Wash. These two face washes are so refreshing and they are such good quality. Mostly I use this in the daytime and this at night because this has glycolic acid and this has vitamin C and cucumber. It's so refreshing. I love this, and this is something if you have tanning issues, if you have acne prone skin, or if you have bumpy skin just like me, you can try this one out. And if you are looking for a good everyday face wash that has vitamin C, you should try this one out. And if you want to try either of these, I would definitely recommend you to do a patch test because they have active ingredients in it. But these are such good face washes, you should definitely try them out. Next I have two moisturizers to talk about. Let's start with this one because this I use in the daytime. Now this is a little towards the expensive side, so I wouldn't recommend everyone to get this one because not everyone can afford 2500 rupees moisturizer, right? Now this is the Rus Supercharged Multivitamin Day Cream with Goji Berry and ceramides. This is such a good hydrating moisturizer. It also contains SPF of 30, so I don't have to use SPF separately if I am staying at home, and if I'm going out I just top it off with another SPF. So this is something I absolutely love. It's super hydrating, but if you think this is a little too expensive for you, then you can try this moisturizer. This is such a good quality moisturizer. I would highly recommend this to each and every one of you because this is suitable for all skin type. And this is the Derma 5% Propylene Oil-Free Moisturizer for Deep Hydration. This has 5% propylene glycol, 1% hyaluronic acid as well as ceramide complex. Now this also has ceramides, okay, and if you can't afford it, definitely go for this one. And this is something if you have extremely dry skin, if you have flaky skin, and recently I am breaking out a lot, and because of the medicines I use, this area of my skin has dry patches and it's extremely dry and rest of my face is oily, and I use this one. This deals with my dry patches and it also heals that particular area. You know, if you have active acne, that particular area is quite sensitive and irritated, so if you use this one, this also deals with that. It deals with the dryness. It's quite nice and soothing, so this is something I would highly recommend. Not sponsored, but this is such a good quality moisturizer. You should definitely give this one a shot. Now for a lip balm, this is something I've been using a lot. Now this is a lip mask, but I use it as a lip balm. I use it in the daytime, in the night time. This is so hydrating and moisturizing, and I have talked about it so much on my channel. I'm not going to talk too much about it, but yeah, if you're looking for a good lip balm, definitely try this one out. If you have dry chapped lips like me, and if you are looking for a good lip balm or a lip mask, you should definitely try this one out because this is going to hydrate your lips, this is going to moisturize your lips, and also this is going to deal with your dry chapped lips. Oh, there is another moisturizer that I forgot to talk about. Now this is the Klairs Freshly Juiced Vitamin E Mask. Now I have got the mini one. It's a 15 ml tub, but I've used it 5 to 6 times I would say, and this is such a good moisturizer. I use it at night. You can apply it as a mask on your face or you can use it as your moisturizer. I prefer using it as my moisturizer. It hydrates my skin so well, and the next morning when you wake up, it just gives you that beautiful glow to the skin. Your skin looks nice, dewy and plump. Now this has vitamin E, niacinamide, and also this is mentioned that it's going to give you radiance and glow, which is so true, and I love the texture of it. It's so beautiful, lightweight, and it has a very wiggly, jelly sort of a texture, which I absolutely love. So yeah, I'm definitely going to get the bigger size of this. So yeah, if you're looking for a good night sleeping mask or a good moisturizer you can use at night, you should try this one as well. It's summer and it's not possible that I'm not going to talk about any sunscreen, right? So these are the two sunscreens that I have used a lot. These are my last month's favorite and also last month's favorite. So the first one is this Foxtail Cover Up Mattifying Sunscreen. Now this was sent to me by the brand. This is the mattifying sunscreen, but it's not drying on the skin. I absolutely love how it feels on my skin. It doesn't make my skin feel greasy or sticky or heavy, or it doesn't make me sweat throughout the day. Even if I'm going out in the daytime, I use it, and this is very comfortable on the skin. And also this is the Wishcare Invisible Sunscreen that I have talked so much about on my channel. You guys can see I have almost finished this one up. The first one was sent to me by the brand, and also I have purchased another one. This is my second tube and I absolutely love it. Now why I wanted to talk about this too, because both of them are fragrance free. Now this has 1% hyaluronic acid, niacinamide and ceramide, and this contains niacinamide, provitamin B5 and vitamin E. So these are going to protect your skin, as well as they are going to provide you that nourishment and hydration that you need throughout the day. These two are totally worth your money, and I would highly recommend these. Now this is a random product. This is a hand cream from Plum, and this is the Plum BodyLovin hand cream in the variant caramel popcorn. From past couple of months my hands are getting super dry. I don't know why. I never thought that I'm going to use a hand cream because it never happened to me before. Now this is a hand cream I've been loving lately, and it smells so good. It smells like caramel popcorn, and whenever I go to bed I just apply it, and I just love using it throughout the day. It just makes your hands soft and smooth, and it smells amazing. So if you have dry hands, you should definitely try this one out. And also I wanted to try the Nykaa hand creams. If any of you have tried those, definitely let me know in the comment section below. Should I try them or not? Is it worth your money or not? But for now I'm loving this one, and yeah, I would highly recommend you to try this one if you haven't tried it already. Now in summer I don't like using those thick body cream or body lotions or body butters. They are so heavy for my skin. I either use a body yogurt or body milks. Now this is something I've been loving a lot lately. I've already tried their body lotion as well. So this is the Nykaa Wanderlust Spanish Olive range. This is their body milk. I'm about to finish this one, but I would definitely repurchase it whenever it gets over, because first of all I love the fragrance of it. It smells so good, and I love using it before going to the bed. It's so lightweight, it's hydrating, it's moisturizing, it's not heavy, thick or goopy. You guys can see it's very lightweight, blends beautifully into the skin and gives so much hydration, which I absolutely love. So yeah, if you're someone like me who don't like using heavy thick body creams, so definitely try this one out. This is a body milk. It's lightweight, it's hydrating, it's not going to make you feel heavy or greasy throughout the day, but this is going to provide you that moisturization and hydration that you need, because my entire body is dry and I only use this one, and I'm quite happy with it. So yeah, okay, now let's talk about the fragrances that I've used the most. The first one is this Bath & Body Works Gingham Body Mist. I have talked about this so much on my channel. I love the fragrance of it. It's so fresh and summery, and if you're looking for a good summer fragrance, definitely try this one out. Now this stays on me around 6 to 7 hours easily, and if I use a dew roll-on underneath, it stays even longer. Next I'm going to talk about this Engage L'Amante that I've been using a lot lately. Now the first time I received it, I didn't like it much. It was an okay fragrance for me, but this year I've been using this one a lot, and I am about to finish this one up. This is almost finished. Okay, I've used it so much. This is such a fresh, powdery floral sort of a fragrance, which is perfect for everyday use if you're going to office or college and you do sweat a lot. Definitely try this one out. This smells really nice and fresh. And lastly, this is something I use every single day whenever I'm at home. This is the Plum BodyLovin body mist in the variant Orchid-You-Not. This is my favorite summer fragrance. I don't know how many bottles I've finished up, and this is something I would highly recommend to each and every one of you. This is such a beautiful floral fragrance. I would definitely recommend you to try this one out. Now mostly I use this one whenever I'm at home, and if I'm going out I just top it off with the perfume variant of this, and it stays on me throughout the day. Now I know a lot of people say that these body mists, they don't stay on them, but it depends on your body chemistry. Okay, most of the fragrances stays on me throughout the day because I don't have much body odor and I don't sweat a lot. So yeah, if you're looking for a good fragrance, you can try this one or this one. Okay, now let's talk about my makeup favorites. And I don't have a lot of makeup products because honestly speaking, I'm not doing much makeup this summer. I only do makeup whenever I sit and film video, or if I'm going out to some important event or stuff. Okay, otherwise I just go out without any makeup on. But in summer what I do is I use a concealer, I set it with a loose powder, I add some blush, brows and lip products, and that's it. Brows and lips, these are the two products that I use the most, and lip products are something that I experiment a lot. So in today's video you will see a lot of lip products, but there is just one brow favorite that I am going to share with you today. But as I'm trying out a lot of new brow products, as you haven't seen my Nykaa haul, I will leave the link right here, just go and check that out. So recently I am experimenting and trying a lot of new brow products. Definitely I am going to share with you my favorites in my next video or next to next video, so stay tuned for that. Now let's get started with the makeup products. I know you guys are gonna ask me, and let's get started with what I'm having on my lips today. And this is my recent favorite lip combo that I've been using a lot. The lip liner I'm using is from Inside. It's their Glide On lip liner, and this is in the shade Spill the Beans 05. And for lipstick, I've been loving this Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade 59, and this is a lip color that's my absolute favorite. I don't know how many tubes I've finished up already, and this is what I'm having on my lips today. You guys can see how beautiful this combo looks. Then I have this Nykaa lip combo to talk about that I've been using a lot. The lip liner I'm using is this Nykaa Lips Don't Lie lip liner in the shade Beautiful Liar, and the lipstick I've been loving a lot lately, it's also from Nykaa, and this is in the shade Janhvi. I've recently got these two lipsticks from Nykaa Pink Summer Sale, and ever since I got them I've been using them non-stop. I have in the shade Pink Veil and Nude Natural. Now these two shades are very nude and they're suitable for fair skin tone, but if you are of my skin tone you can rock this look, and if you are of a little deeper than me you can still use them with a lip liner. Now this is Nude Natural and this is Pink Veil. I've been loving these two shades lately and I love the formulation of them. They're so creamy and beautiful. Now I am a nude lover, as you guys can clearly see, and most of the shades I use, they are nudes. I also use pinks and reds, but they are very rare. Okay, mostly I use nudes. So yeah, these are my monthly favorite lip products. Oh, I forgot to talk about this one. This is something I've been also using a lot. This is from KIRO. It's the pH lip oil. I love the packaging. First of all, I mean, look at that, how beautiful it is. I just got it because of the packaging, but the day I tried it, oh my god, I was a fan. And look at this huge ass applicator. It's such a hydrating, nourishing product if you have dry chapped lips and you want a lip oil or lip gloss that's gonna add a little bit of color to your lips. Definitely try this one out. Now this looks red, but it's not red on your lips. It just gives a very beautiful pink tint on your lip. This is how the color looks like. Now I'm going to talk about this MORPHE brow cream. This is a brow pomade or brow pomade, whatever you call it, but this is such a beautiful product. It matches my brows so beautifully. It looks very natural. This is what I'm having on my brows today, and you guys can see my brows look so nice. It's not too dark, not too light. It just fills in the gaps of your brows and looks very natural. I love the formulation of this. You guys can see I've used it 5 to 6 times, okay, but still it looks like new, and you just need a tiny bit of it. I love the formulation of this, I love the texture of this, and it stays on my brows for a really long time. It doesn't look heavy or greasy, or it doesn't melt down, you know, if you sweat a lot. So this is my recent favorite. I have recently got it from Nykaa during their Nykaa pink summer sale, but this is something I am in love, and I would highly recommend you. If you are looking for a good brow pomade, you should try this one out. This is totally worth your money. So yeah guys, that's it. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and hit on that notification bell so that every single time I upload video you will get notified, and you don't miss out on any video that I upload. And also let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, if you like this video or not, or if you want me to create more such content. I would love to make that for you, because I've seen that you don't like seeing such long form content. So definitely let me know what you guys want to watch. Okay, I would love to make that for you. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.